Hey guys, here's how I use my mini excavator to prep and build stone walls. In getting ready to set the base stones, all I'm doing is removing the organic material down to the subsoil. Like any good craftsman will tell you, preparation is 80% of the job. Here I'm laying stones out prior to setting them in the first course. Here's my trade secret. Think ahead, plan ahead. Lay out the stones as if they were in the wall on the ground before you set them. So here I'm using the bucket and the thumb to rotate the stones, flip them over, make sure that they all fit well next to each other, and then I can just grab them one at a time when I set the second course. Here's a pro tip. You can use the thumb of the bucket to do the final placement of stones. Now I'm ready to start laying the first course of stones. You'll notice me shimming some of the stones because they're not always perfectly flat top and bottom. How close you place the machine to the wall is critical, because if you're too close or too far away, you can't use the bucket and thumb effectively. In some cases, I'll use the bucket to regrade the subsoil. In this case, I have to work the stone back and forth until it's nice and flat. Up next, we'll look at choosing stones by shape. See you then.